one thing for the community. I scoured the earth, the seas, the internet, looking for one person, just one person to please, for the love of goodness, just hold the pen, and you put it next to a microphone and just let me hear the feel right too. No one did that. No one did that. Let's hear it together. You owe me, guys. You owe me. Let's hear it. Ooh. Just let me get my tea ready. Yeah, Freddy. It's finally here. The Supernote Nomad. If you're watching this, you've known this is coming for a couple of months now. I have not watched the Three Horsemen yet. Kit Beats Matters, Brandon Brussel and Voya. Brandon Brussel is kind of trying to pull a Voya on us, making a 1-hour video for some reason. That's just too much, Brandon. My Deep Guide has not yet posted his own video. The best thing that came from releasing this Supernote Nomad is the Queen Pixel Leaf made a video that's been long awaited. Honestly, Supernote have to give Pixel Leaf like I don't know how many thousands of dollars, because my first Supernote was bought just because of the way she presented it, and she expressed her use case. Without further ado, let's unpackage this together. Speaking English would reach the Supernote community people I really want to have this discussion with. Okay, Bismillah. I know you heard this. Bismillah. I pull a Khabib on you.
Alhamdulillah. I know you got this. They don't like this. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So, woo. What's this? Christmas? Haram. I'm gonna throw this away. Haram.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
They're the only company I know that can put Apple to shame. Yani, honest to Allah. Okay, the packaging is neat. The only company that can put Apple to shame. Ooh, glidey slidey. Ooh, of course I bought the clear glass one. Yeah, of course. I don't know who would buy the normal one. The Profolio. You guys seen the Profolio for Pixel Leaves? The white one, the white leather one. It's just ugly, man. Just ugly. It will become more yellow than my armpit in just 2 days, you know.
That escalated quickly.
Okay, the pen. Honest, I feel I regret not buying the clicky pen. Let me guys show you something. Where is it? Speaking of clickies, I really enjoy and love a clicky pen. This is the Lamy Safari. I bought this in hope to mod it with a Supernote pen, which did not work. It worked horribly. The refill would just keep sliding out. Just awful experience. So I still have a refill that I don't know what to do with, as you can see from my Pentel, okay? So I was surprised when I saw Pixel Leaves pen. Sounded a good clicky, had some heft to it. It's just ugly, man. It's white again. It's white, and I hate that. I'm sorry, Supernote team. I'll have to destroy this because I cannot open it like a sensible human being. Ooh. So this is the pen. I bought the Samurai Sushi. I forgot the name of it. So let's just call it a Samurai. Oh, wallah. Oh, mashallah. How does it open? Okay. I had the Heart of Metal one prior to this. Doesn't feel that much of a weight difference. Feels good in the hands. Okay, looks quite impressive. I like the way it looks. It's pleasing on the eye, even in the touch. Smooth, silky. Supernote make the best equipment for their devices. Even the small things Supernote do, like the pen is mightier than the sword. Cool. Go with your Christmas tree. Moment I've been waiting for from the first day it released. Putting Apple to shame, Supernote, really. Why can't I open these like a sensible human being without destroying them? Do you pull? Do you... Oh, okay. Yes. Ooh. Just make sounds every time I open this. You guys ready? Okay, that fell so awful. Oh, ya Allah, masha Allah. Ooh. Ooh. I thought every person would buy the crystal clear one. I haven't seen anyone yet. I haven't seen Brandon's, but why buy? Why is there even a choice? Is it not that obvious? It's just mashallah. Wallah, if I wasn't that clumsy, I'd walk with it like this. Like, hey guys, have you seen my new thing? You know what this guy's is? You know, no. Oh, you have an iPad? Hello? It's not a phone, but I can call, why not? One thing for the community. I scoured the earth, the seas, the internet, looking for one person, just one person to please, for the love of goodness, just hold the pen, and you put it next to a microphone and just let me hear the feel right too. No one did that. Let's hear it together. You owe me, guys. You owe me. Let's hear it. Ooh. Feels nice. I feel some resistance. And a part of me is just a little tiny bit afraid, because I'm a heavy writer, so I might put some weight, and I'm afraid that within time I might smooth it out. Maybe it's just an irrational fear I'm having, but the feel is, yeah, it's worth it. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, much. It's worth waiting. It's much worth waiting for. Yes. So before going any deep, that's what she said. This is I have a Paperwhite Kindle. This is the size of it, in comparison. So this is the size of it in comparison. It's a 7.8. I sold my Supernote A5, the 10.3 inch, I think, for one reason, and because portability and usability. I have this bag that's with me all the time. The Supernote A5, I did not use it that much in the past couple of months, 6 months, maybe 10 months, because it did not fit in this small bag. So I was thinking of selling my A5 to buy an A6. Then I heard the Nomad is coming. I waited. So now look, you can have it portable with you anywhere. And you can just... That's the one thing I really wanted. Something portable, easier. When I read on Reddit, some people had the same issue. Some of them had the smaller one and wanted to upgrade to the bigger one. Some had the opposite issue, like my issue. They had the bigger one and want to have the smaller one. It's really not telling, because some people say when they bought the smaller one, yeah, that's the best thing they did. Some say no, I wish I stayed at the. So it's just, what's your use case? What do you prefer? For me, yes, the smaller size really does wonders for me. So yeah, without further ado, actually without many ado that I did do to you, Scooby-Doo, uncultured swine. Yes, yes. So it's working now. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, Supernote. بقى أقول لهم شيء. So yeah, they have this small screw. That's cute screwdriver. So screwdriver. So you can change the batteries as they show in their official channel. Everything they make, I swear, Ratta, everything you make is quality. Ooh, the charger. Ratta, I catch you. You're lacking. USB-A, خافوا Allah. USB-A, really? But don't look at me. Sony, focus. Still USB. That's. I automatically deduct half a point. Ratta, خلاص. You lost me. I'll return this. Where's the thing? I'll return it. Ha! Don't panic. Like that's cute. They know me. Okay, so the official startup English. Don't you have Arabic? Ratta, get your shit together, okay? China, don't trust you. United States, you're kind of better, but still, let's go with the States. Network provided time, setup network, time zone, Kuwait, okay. Date format, usage diagnosed. I'm not willing to participate in the project currently. No, I'm not. But thank you for leaving the option. Defaulting to not allowing. That's nice. I like that. Slide down. Oh, the texture feels different. Wait, isn't this the old version? It's the old version. Oh, but I can't get over the texture of the writing. It's just different. Oh. Can I still use the two finger to delete, or is it something of the past? How about? Ooh. Wait. Ratta. Ooh, so two fingers in the screen. I can select. And two fingers on the sidebar. I can delete. That's such a godsend, because prior to that I had to use a EMR Lamy pen, and even though it's a nice pen, I hate how light it is. I just hate that. I hate light pens. Wait. Prior to that, you'd have to buy a Lamy to have both functionalities if you're using books or what's the other device? Remarkable with the double tap, before the double tap. Us Supernoters, we're spoiled. Thank you, Ratta. We can use the button to select and just delete with the two finger. The problem is you'd have to be okay with such a light pen. It's just a light pen, and it's kind of thick. Boy, it's just too thick, too light for my taste. So that's not good. I sold mine to a friend. So this is a heavy pen, no buttons, unfortunately. However, I don't need them because I can write, and I can't. Okay, I can't. Let me check. Such a noob. Okay, so I can select, use the lasso, and I can delete at the same time. So it's a simple thing. Here's the thing with Ratta. Sometimes they do just these simple things that just go such a long way. I had the books, the colored ones, not the new ones, not the Tab Ultras. I think the C's, one of the C's, the color C. Anyways, before they upgraded to being able to delete with simply just marking on it, I missed Supernote just because this ease of functionality to be able, while lost in thought writing, and just not having to open up the upper bar or just lose focus, and you can just delete, continue on. That's worth switching the system. That alone. having the constant flow of thought of not switching the system was worth it. I hate being boggled down with just menus and menus. If I can have, how can I make this as paper-like as possible? Honestly, this is too cool to be paper-like, but you know, how, if you want to, how can you? You can with Supernote. Ratta, I'll be waiting for my check, please. Before, I forgot to show you the portfolio I got. Huh? Something about Ratta's boxes that I just can't. Should I rip this or? Oh, from the other side. If you're still. Oh, baby blue. Ice, 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 ice. Pixel leaves. Another jelly right now, if you're watching. They give you the white. You're kind of jelly, I know. You're kind of jelly. You're kind of jelly, come on. Ooh, magnet. See? This is my use case for Supernote. Okay, I found something that I hate that I will try to fix. You see? You're not gonna use it like this, I know, like, you're not gonna use it, but the rattle is real, the rattle is real. What I did before, I bought one of the sticky, you know, the sticky things that hold pens in place. I put it on a Supernote of my friends, so she can hold her pen without it rattling. So, let me just check for my bag. MashaAllah. Allah. See, you have your Supernote, you have your Kindle, and you're up and about. I couldn't do that with my Supernote A5. You see? You can just stop, and we will pull out the Supernote. Yeah, you're saying something important. Tell me again. Ah, okay. So that's the recipe for متبل. I like متبل, me too. I'll be sure to remember that someday. Thank you so much. So yeah, portability is everything. I'm not sure what to say more about the device, seeing I have not updated it yet, and I haven't watched the Three Horsemen's reviews, so I don't skew my own thought and detail. So I'll make a deeper, longer review, something like Voyage. I'll make sure it's Arabic next time. Arabic يا جماعة. شكرا لو صبرتوا عليه. Next time is Arabic. And that's first impressions. Bye bye. I'll come back and turn off the camera after I make a dramatic leave.